Hey, I am a man. I am tired and afraid to speak.
Growing up as a boy, we boys also have few norms of the society that we are expected to follow. But we too also have problems. And the main problem is that we are even scared to talk about it. We fear that we will be mocked or people will judge us.
I was told by my parents that I need to be strong and aggressive. लड़के कभी रोते नहीं हैं and मर्द को कभी दर्द नहीं होता. It has all echoed through our society from ages and held us back. It's all rubbish, you know. I am also a human. I too have feelings.
I was forced to join the cricket academy as India had won the World Cup. And my parents wanted me to become the next Dhoni, to make them proud at the cost of my own originality. But when I tried to assert my own point that I wanted to play tennis, they said, "ये क्या लड़के हो इसे शौक पाल रहे हो? जाओ जाके क्रिकेट खेलो."
I don't drink or smoke. That doesn't mean I have not grown up. Is that how men are defined based on whether they drink, play any particular kind of sport, or are aggressive? Stop pushing these societal notions because when they ruin us, it is termed as toxic masculinity.
I believe in ahimsa. That doesn't mean I am a coward. So how do I prove to my girlfriend that I am man enough to take care of her? Do I have to talk in a loud tone? Or be angry around people who try to pester her? So we broke up last week with me not being masculine enough and I couldn't control my tears. My friend said, men can't be emotionally weak and एक गई तो क्या हुआ दूसरी आ जाएगी. Are men supposed to have a stone heart like that and be devoid of their feelings?
I am tired of pretending that everything is okay, even though it's not. Where do I go to express my concern about the violence against me? I am a man and I need to fight it off. On a serious note, I am afraid to do so.
My father said that when he was young, he was always told to keep his family first when he grows up. Maybe that's why he didn't buy his favorite car. Rather, he spent it all in buying me a sports bike.
The society says that men can only be the perpetrators of sexual violence, whereas women the victims. I mean, how does that even make sense? Like, we want the world that we are fighting for to be gender neutral, and the laws that govern us are biased.
I drink, man, but that doesn't prove that I'm incapable of doing any job. Why does it entitle anyone that they can judge me by my character? That I supposedly go into rage fits when I drink?
Yeah, sometimes I do be a king of Claricia. Yeah, like the one I'm wearing now. And everyone should know that gender is not defined by the choice of color or brand.
Self-care is not just for women. What I wear, what I want, and what I choose doesn't define my sexuality.
She accused me for sexually assaulting her and I had to spend 3 months in jail. While the investigation was going on, I was beaten by police, by the public, even my own friends shunned me. When the investigation was over and the accusation turned out to be false, the officials said that they were sorry for the trouble caused. She defamed me for absolutely no reason and all I got was an apology at the end. No one cares about the physical abuse and mental and physical trauma I endured. Is there anything that happens to me inconsequential?
I don't have a beard, but that does not define my sexuality. I ask permission at home before making any decision. That does not mean I am indecisive, that I am less of a man. It simply means that I don't want my parents to get tensed about my future.
It's always not easy for us to handle situations.
We are really tired of living up to the remarks like, come on, grow up, be a man, be strong. मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. It's okay to cry sometimes. Feelings are not gender biased. Proving ourselves is not a goal. Asking for help is not a weakness.
See, it's not easy for me, nor is it for you, or beat anyone around. Whether it be man or woman, it is the same pain and suffering that we all deal with. And instead of talking about toughening up, I think we should support each other. That's the only way forward.
Whenever we talk about body shaming or body type issue, we generally consider females' problem. But to be honest, guys too face this a lot. Popping question regard for one section and ignoring for other is definitely not the solution.
I feel exhausted.
Exhausted of proving my innocence.
Exhausted of fighting for my reputation.
Exhausted of pretending to be strong when I know I can't anymore.
I might not fit the ideal societal portrayal of a man, but remember, whenever you are in trouble, I will always be there to help you out.
We are here to celebrate our day.
We are ready to speak up.
We too need help.
Because before being a man,
We are humans.